Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Friday, guys. I made it out to the Dollar Tree. Been a rough week with this knee thing, which is better now. But I did finally get out today. It is a miserable day to be going out, but I was there first thing this morning when they opened, and so that was good. And it is just so cold and so windy. Actually, it wasn't that cold when I got up. It was actually almost 50 degrees, but it's dropping really fast during the day here. So it's going to be a cold one and a windy one. And the lights are already flickering, so we'll see. You guys know my power goes out all the time. But anyway, I got a bunch of stuff from Dollar Tree. I found some new things, some really cute things. And I'm going to flip you guys around here and show you what I got. All right, let's go through the goodies that we always pick up. A lot of it's my husband's picks. He picked up this juice here. It's 100% pineapple juice. It's the J79. He got the mango last week, and he said that was really, really good. So this time he wants to try the pineapple. So that was one of his picks that he picked up. This Dollar Tree had his pepperoni sticks. These are hard to find anymore. The Tillamook brand. These little pepperoni snacks here that he likes to munch on. So he got 2 of those. He picked up some of these little Palmer peanut butter cups. Let's see if he likes those. He can't wait for the Easter candy to come out because he loved the peanut butter eggs that he got last year. And he keeps trying to find something similar. So maybe these will taste similar to those that he had. What else did he get? He got another pack of these Junior Dippers with the cheese in it and the little like breadsticks or whatever they are. Are they breadsticks, I'm guessing. Cracker sticks. There you go. Answers my question. So he picked up a pack of those. He got most of the goodies this week. I didn't really get anything. No goodies. I did pick up a pack of mild taco seasoning mix. These are only 75 cents at Dollar Tree. So I grabbed that to put out there in my stash of ingredients. And they had these too, and luckily these are not expired. These don't expire until the end of February. Because the last Dollar Tree I went to, they had a bunch of these, but they all expired in like September. And they just hadn't gotten them off the shelf yet. But I love this stuff. This stuff is really good. Much better than Hamburger Helper in my opinion. So picked up 2 of those. And then he picked up another pack of these honey buns. He loves these. Warm these up a little. They are wonderful. What do you get? You get 4 of them in here. So, they're pretty decent size. And then I grabbed some more of my sponges. I haven't been able to find these lately at Dollar Tree, but they had them at this one. So I picked up 2 packs of these. And these are the Brillo Basics. And I love these. Are my favorite ones. Favorites. Yeah, you get a favorite of something and you just gotta have those. And what do I have in this bag here? I have most of my stuff in a bin. I found a really nice bin I want to show you, but I have everything in it right now. Got another Spick and Span, the lemon lime scent. You guys know I love this stuff to clean in my kitchen because it doesn't have a strong smell to it. And he got the Power Stick 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and conditioner in the clear blue water scent, which smells really nice. So that he picked out, and that Spick and Span was laying down in here, and it has leaked a little bit. And then I did get another pack of the 4-gallon bags. There's 40 of them in here. Like I always tell you, I use these for my little dog's potty pads that we have around the house because a lot of times they can't make it. So it's nice to have those. I did grab some more tissues. Just got these in the pretty boxes. These are the everyday tissues. You get 170 in here, and I just love the pretty boxes. So we go through lots of tissues around here. Let me set these over here out of my way. I've got a lot of stuff here. Let's see, what do we get Christmassy? I got some of these lights. They had these. Actually, these are the garden collection, they're called. But they have them in the multicolored of these little LED lights. And there's 15 lights on here. Some of the other ones that I had from Dollar Tree had 12 lights. And it's a little bit different packaging than the other ones, too. But these are coming out now. And I don't know why these always come out in the garden section. But, they usually come out in spring. But anyway, I got one of the colored ones. I'm going to put those away. These were new. These aren't Christmassy either, but I don't have any of these pom-poms in these kind of colors, and I figure next thing you know, we'll be decorating for Easter before you know it because time is just flying by. But I thought these were real pretty pom-poms. I don't have any in the pastel colors. So these are real pretty. Get 72 in here. So that was something different I saw. And let's see, anything else? Oh, crafting section. I just picked up 2 more of the Mod Podge. These are still $1.25. Still a good deal compared to like Michael's or anywhere like that when you buy Mod Podge. So that's not bad. Those are 2-ounce bottles of the gloss. And let's see, what else do we have here? This, I picked up this box. I thought this was real pretty. It's nice green pretty inside, and then it has this real pretty decoration on it. I love these boxes from Dollar Tree. This says Merry and Bright on the lid. I was going to say the roof. And then it has candy canes all the way around it. So I thought those were really pretty. So I'll put that away in my stash for next year because I used a lot already for this year. And I'm pretty much done wrapping everything, thank goodness. So that'll get put away for next year. Alright, I had to change my battery already. I did finally order today new batteries for my camera because it's getting annoying. I can't even get through half a video anymore without these batteries just dying, the rechargeable ones, and they just are not holding a charge anymore. But anyway, new ones are on the way. Alright, what else did we get here? I picked these up in the makeup section there. I thought these would be great. They're supposed to be for like makeup brushes, but you could use these for all kinds of things. I'm going to keep them here in my craft room to put little doodads in. It has this little clip here. It's just like a little case. But how cute is that to put maybe some of the watercolor pencils in here that I have. And you could even hang these up if you want to. So I got that one with the smiley faces on it. And then I picked this one up. Had pretty blue bows on it. But yeah, you could put paintbrushes in here. You could put whatever. I mean, you could just use them to store paintbrushes. Doesn't have to be for makeup. No, it doesn't. I grabbed this cute little guy here. This is going to go in a little gift basket, I think. And it's Strawberry Scented Lip Balm. Hydrating Lip Balm, it's called. And it says it's very cute. And they had these in a couple different colors. I think there was blue and was one white? I don't remember. But they're so cute. Look how cute they are. And these were in like where they have the little gifty things for the holidays in that section. In the plus section, I picked this up for my husband because he does love slot machines to play. We love the ones that don't cost anything to play. So, because he'll play them on like his iPad or something. But I thought this would be a fun little add-on Christmas present. It was $5. It's a little tabletop slot machine. So I thought that was fun. Something different. I guess it says you can put a coin in here. I don't know. Maybe it's like a piggy bank too. I don't know. It doesn't say it is. But it has a working handle, jackpot bell sounds, wide spinning wheels, coin slot for automatic jackpot. All right. I guess you can put coins in. Oh, it is a savings bank coin slot on the top. There you go. So it is a piggy bank. And it has flashing lights and sound. It takes... What does it take? It takes two 1.5 volt LR14C batteries required to operate. So I'm guessing there's C batteries? I don't even know. That was a lot of numbers for batteries. But yeah, I thought that was real cute. So I'm going to wrap that up for him for Christmas. A little something fun. Why not, right? I picked up another, they had these Hershey's wax melts, and they're s'mores. They smell really good. I'm hoping they smell, it smells like you could eat these. They just smell so good. But they're for in your wax burners, and I have one in my downstairs that I use. It's, you know, far away from my birds and stuff, so I don't have to worry about them. But I love the smell of these things. And I love anything like with a chocolate. My favorite one was a chocolate cherry truffle, which half the time I can't find anymore. I used to get it at Walmart, but this smells close to it. It smells really, really good. So I'm hoping they smell just as good in the wax burner. I picked these up. I'm going to send these off to the ones that have little ones here. But look at these cute spoon rests. Aren't they adorable? You have SpongeBob here. You have Smurfs, if anybody even remembers the Smurfs, or if you're a Smurf lover. I thought that was really cute. And they also have Garfield. So I thought that was really funny. So I'm going to pass those along, and I think they'll have a good time with those anyway. I did grab a couple of Christmas platters here. Is that what they're calling these? What are they calling these? Tray. They're little trays, I guess. But for the Christmas cookies and whatnot, I thought that was pretty. I got two the same. I thought this was the prettiest festive print that they had there. So I got two of those, and they're pretty sturdy. They're not, you know, real flimsy or anything. I love their trays. Let me put that back. Oh, no, I can't put that back in here because I want to show you this thing. Once I get everything out of here, I have no room. I don't even have room to set these down right this second. You know, once they're going to go right here for this second. This room, I can't wait. My daughter's supposed to be coming down on Sunday, and she's taking half of these presents home with her because, you know, we do Christmas at her house. And so she's going to take half these home with her here. So I can actually move in this room. I can't move. There's just stuff, wrapping paper and bows and boxes and presents and unopened boxes yet that other people have to wrap in this house. And I can't wait for it to get out of here because it's driving me crazy. All right, anyway, enough of that. I did buy one of these weekly planners. It's just like a tablet of paper here, and it has like your Monday through Sunday here of, you know, things you want to plan, little notes to put here, and your top priorities over here. But I am on a quest to get organized this coming year because I am not at all anymore. I used to be until all this stuff happened, you know, with this CIDP and all this other stuff and broken ankles and all this fun stuff we've been going through. I used to be pretty organized, and that's all kind of went down the tubes. But we're going to try, starting January, that'll be my New Year's resolution, to try and get organized. Alright, I did pick up a couple more Christmas bags because I love their bags. These are so pretty. I got this one here that I think I might want to do a picture with. And that's this one with these beautiful cardinals on it. Now this side is just plain, the other side has the glitter, you know, if you like the glittery stuff. And they're a really nice big bag, nice wide bottom. And these are the longer, you know, some of them are real tall, these are the longer ones. But yeah, so pretty. So I got that one, and then I love these. They had several different ones. I think I showed you one last week that I picked up of these simple little designs that they have on these bags that I think are just so, I don't know, kind of classy looking. This side doesn't have, I wish they would have done it on both sides. But you can barely see Santa over there. But look how pretty that is with that gold. I love these bags. And these, again, have a nice wide bottom. And this is the taller ones. So I have something for everything. These will probably get put away till next year because, like I said, I really don't need them. Got this giant bag here. $10 tree. Alright. I did pick up one of these new water bottles. I thought this was real pretty. And I use water bottles around this house like crazy. Between the birds and my hair and whatever else. It has the spray stream nozzle onto it, but these are great to have like in the bathroom and stuff. I have some that have cleaning products in them. I just put labels on them. They're just a great little size, so I love that design. I thought that was something very different. And then I picked up two of these storage containers. These are really nice. Let's take the paper off of this one, but they're glass. These are glass storage containers. They had them in two different sizes. They had them in this pretty green, and they also had them in, I'm going to try to get this off without dropping it. There we go. They had it in pink, but I like the green better for myself. But yeah, they're just these really nice storage containers. And it has, they just snap right on here. And they snap on nice. Did that have a seal around it? Ugh. No, it does not have like a silicone seal or anything, but it does go on there nice and tight. So I got one this shape here, and then I got a round one. And this is 12.5 ounces, it says it holds. So, you know, they're just small ones. These are perfect for a lot of things we have left over or whatever. And it's microwave and dishwasher safe. So, yay. And these are from Home Essentials, it says. All right, very nice. This seems to be, this isn't a green briar product, so this is probably something that's going to come and go real quick. So if you see them, grab them, because I'm sure they won't be around for long. But And then I have this one more thing here, and I don't have any room to even show you now because I'm just out of room in here. But I got this storage bin. I believe it was $6 is what it was. Look how pretty this storage bin is. I love this. It's real deep. It's a real big one. I didn't think that was bad for $6 whatsoever. And it comes with this lovely lid. So you could actually, stack them. I'm breaking things. You could actually stack these in a closet, like if you want to, like switching out your summer tops or winter top, whatever, you could fit quite a lot in here. These are very large. It does not, oh yeah, it's 18 inches by 12.5 inches by 10 inches high, it says. It looks, let me get my ruler. No, it is 10 inches high. It looked bigger. It is, it's a very nice large size, but I love the fact that it has this nice, and it's sturdy. I mean, you could definitely, I wouldn't put anything super heavy in them, but you could definitely stack these up in a closet. And they look just so pretty. Or even in a bathroom, for like extra towels or something, they would be beautiful in there. But that is it. That is what I got in this haul. I think I did pretty good this time. I was a little excited to find some new things. Surprised I didn't see any Valentine's yet, although I did at my grocery store. They had a whole aisle of Valentine candy out. And I was like, you can't wait a minute. Valentine's Day's not until in February. But anyway, it's all coming out on the shelves already. All right, I'm going to move this stuff here so I can go grab Little P and bring him in for his visit. Okay, Little P was out there diving in his water bowl taking a bath. So we're going to come in here and show you what a drowned rat looks like. Look at his feathers, he's soaking wet. Did you have a good bath, young man? Yeah? He loves a dive in a nice fresh bowl of water. Oh, don't go where you going. I know, you want to rub yourself on my head, but I'm not Daddy. He lets you do that. No, it's okay. No, stay here. I know there's so much stuff in here. He's so wet. We're not going to stay long, P, because I know what you're going to want to go get dried off. No, you're not climbing on my head. He wants to get on my head. My husband will let him sit on his head and he'll just rub himself till he's dry in his hair. We're not doing that. I got hairspray in my hair. No, you don't need that. You don't need hairsprayed feathers. Nope, sorry. See, if I knew you were taking a bath, I would have sprayed your back. Yeah, no, he doesn't even want to stay here. We'll just say hi real quick, everybody. Yeah. Do you want to rub it off of my shirt? No, you're not going in my hair. He's trying so hard. I'm going to take you back out there so you can get dried off. I said, B, what you doing? Everybody's waiting for you. You're nice and clean, though. Yeah. Tell everybody we got a cute little DIY that's going to come out tomorrow that I just finished a little while ago, so I have paint all over me. But they came out so cute. And I didn't get much done this year because of everything that went on, but I figured I'll put it up now. It's getting close to Christmas, but you know what? Maybe next year. Put it on the back burner. Whatever. Oh my goodness, you're so wet. I can see your skin. Oh, P, you're crazy. Are you cold? Do you need a blankie? Oh my goodness. I know. You got water in your mouth or your nose. Ugh. You're a drowned rat. Look at that face. You're all wet. Say you're all wet. Alright, well I'm going to take him back out because he's not going to want to do anything except try to climb on top of my head, and that's not happening. So, well, I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, Pay.